Do you have a camper that has a porch light that looks like this and you are missing the plastic cover? If you are looking for this, this is the video for you. I just wanted to do a quick video. I'm fixing up this Scamper slide-in truck camper. It's got this handle porch light combo thing, and I was missing the plastic here, and I figured this obviously isn't going to help a ton of people, but it may help one or two. If you're missing this plastic, I found the replacement for it. It doesn't come up when you Google Scamper porch light plastic or anything like that, but I did find one on Amazon. It's just a generic RV replacement cover, but it fits. I'll post the link below. This is what it looks like, about a 4 1/4 inches wide by 2 1/8 inch tall, and it is a pretty much direct replacement fit for that. So I don't know, it just makes me happy to have things kind of a little bit complete. Still need to do a little work on here. There it is. Quick video just on what I used to replace the plastic porch light for this Scamper. Again, I'll post the link below on the one I used. If you have something that looks like this, it should work for you as well. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see what this finished Scamper looks like when I'm all done, hit that subscribe button and the notification button, and when I upload the finished Scamper, you'll see it. And there it is. Hopefully this helped at least one person who is missing their porch light. And for all the others that were just being generous and watching to watch, thank you. I appreciate it. And we'll see you in the next video.